question is from the integral review, question number 2G, and it's the integral of sine cubed x dx. We need to use an identity here because if we need to use some sort of substitution, and since we have sine, we want to probably generate a cosine because the derivative of sine is cosine and the derivative of cosine is sine. So in this case here, we can rewrite this integral as sine squared x times sine x dx. And if we can somehow generate a cos, then our derivative of cos will be negative sine x dx, and we can account for this outside piece right here. So we're going to use a trig identity where sine squared x is going to be 1 minus cos squared x. And now we can use the substitution. We can let u equal cosine x. And so du works out to be negative sine x, and then we can times that by dx. And that outside, this derivative will take care of the outside portion of this integral. So then doing the substitution, I get 1 minus u squared times du, and then we have to count for the negative, so I'm going to put the negative out there. And now I just have a polynomial to anti-differentiate. So I get negative u minus u cubed over 3 plus c, and then I can back substitute for the cosine. Okay, so there's my solution for this, and it involves splitting this up into sine squared and a sine x, and that allows us to use an identity to be able to introduce a cosine into this expression.